How to order a shot of vodka. To say shot, you say strejta. Strejta. The J is like a Y, so strejta. Go ahead, say it. You got it. To say vodka, it's vódka. The W sounds like a V, and then the O with the accent is an U. Vudka. Try it. Sounds like you've ordered that more than once. If you want to order one shot of vodka, you say, daj mi strejta. Daj mi strejta. Daj mi strejta. Try it. You got it. And that is how you order a shot of vodka.